Did you know that AI can analyze millions of data points in just seconds, making it a game changer for intraday trading strategies? Intraday trading is a highly competitive and fast-paced environment where traders aim to buy and sell financial instruments within a single trading day. The goal is to capitalize on short-term price movements and close out positions before the market closes. With the rise of AI technology, intraday traders can now leverage its power to gain a competitive edge in the markets. Traditionally, intraday traders have relied on technical analysis, chart patterns, and gut instincts to make trading decisions. However, with the increasing complexity of market dynamics, traditional methods are no longer sufficient. This is where AI comes in, a technology that can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that human beings cannot. The integration of AI into intraday trading strategies has the potential to revolutionize the way traders operate. AI algorithms can analyze large datasets, identify trends, and predict price movements with a high degree of accuracy. This enables traders to make more informed decisions, reduce risks, and maximize profits. In the world of intraday trading, every second counts. Market conditions can change in an instant, and traders need to be able to react quickly to capitalize on opportunities. AI-powered trading systems can execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, giving traders an edge in the markets. In the next section, we'll discuss the common challenges faced by intraday traders and how AI can help overcome them. Market volatility is a major challenge faced by intraday traders. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to predict market movements. Emotions also play a significant role in intraday trading, with fear and greed often clouding a trader's judgment. AI can help mitigate these risks by providing objective analysis and predictions. Another significant challenge is the need for quick data analysis. Intraday traders need to process vast amounts of data in real time to identify trading opportunities. AI-powered analytics tools can help traders to process this data quickly and efficiently, enabling them to make informed decisions. Time constraints are another significant challenge. Intraday traders have limited time to analyze data, make decisions, and execute trades. AI can help automate certain tasks, freeing up traders to focus on higher-level strategy and decision-making. In addition to these challenges, intraday traders also face the problem of information overload. With so many data sources and technical indicators available, it can be difficult to separate signal from noise. AI-powered tools can help traders to prioritize data and identify the most relevant information. Intraday traders also struggle with the challenge of staying consistent. Even the best trading strategies can fail if not executed consistently. AI can help traders to stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. Further, intraday traders often face the challenge of dealing with unexpected events. News, announcements, and market shocks can all impact trading performance. AI-powered systems can help traders to adapt to changing market conditions and respond to unexpected events. Intraday traders also face the challenge of managing risk. With high leverage and fast-paced markets, even small mistakes can result in significant losses. AI-powered risk management tools can help traders to monitor and control risk exposure. Another challenge faced by intraday traders is the need for continuous learning. Markets are constantly evolving, and traders need to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. AI-powered learning platforms can help traders to access relevant information and improve their skills. The lack of transparency in trading systems is another challenge faced by intraday traders. It can be difficult to understand the underlying logic and assumptions behind a particular trading strategy. AI-powered systems can provide transparency and explainability, enabling traders to understand the reasoning behind trade recommendations. Intraday traders also face the challenge of integrating multiple data sources. With so many different data feeds and APIs available, it can be difficult to integrate and reconcile different data sources. AI-powered tools can help traders to integrate and normalize data, enabling them to make more informed decisions. Finally, intraday traders face the challenge of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Trading can be a high-stress profession, and it's essential to maintain a balance between trading and personal life. AI-powered automation tools can help traders to free up time and focus on personal well-being. Now, let's explore different AI tools and techniques that can be utilized for intraday trading. One of the most popular AI-powered tools for intraday trading is algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading involves using computer programs to automatically execute trades based on predefined rules. AI-powered algorithms can analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and execute trades at lightning-fast speeds. Another AI-powered tool is machine learning models for trend prediction. Machine learning models can analyze historical data and identify patterns that are indicative of future price movements. These models can be used to predict trends, identify buy and sell signals, and provide trade recommendations. Data analysis software is another AI-powered tool that can be used for intraday trading. Data analysis software can help traders to process and analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and provide insights that inform trading decisions. AI-powered natural language processing algorithms can also be used for intraday trading. These algorithms can analyze news articles, social media posts, and other text-based data to identify sentiment and trends. In addition, AI-powered technical analysis tools can be used to analyze charts and identify patterns. These tools can help traders to automate chart analysis, identify trading opportunities, and provide alerts and notifications. AI-powered portfolio optimization tools can also be used for intraday trading. These tools can help traders to optimize portfolio construction, manage risk, and maximize returns. Further, AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can be used to analyze market sentiment and identify trends. These tools can help traders to gauge market mood, identify contrarian opportunities, and make more informed decisions. AI-powered news analytics tools can also be used for intraday trading. These tools can help traders to analyze news articles, identify sentiment, and determine the impact of news events on markets. Intraday traders can also use AI-powered options analysis tools to analyze options data and identify trading opportunities. These tools can help traders to analyze volatility, identify trends, and provide insights that inform trading decisions. AI-powered analytics platforms can also be used for intraday trading. These platforms can help traders to integrate and analyze data from multiple sources, identify patterns, and provide insights that inform trading decisions. AI-powered risk management tools can also be used for intraday trading. These tools can help traders to monitor and control risk exposure, identify potential risks, and provide alerts and notifications. AI-powered risk management tools can also be used for intraday trading. These tools can help traders to monitor and control risk exposure, identify potential risks, and provide alerts and notifications. In addition, AI-powered automation tools can be used for intraday trading. These tools can help traders to automate routine tasks, free up time, and focus on higher-level strategy and decision-making. AI-powered trading bots can also be used for intraday trading. These bots can help traders to automate trading strategies, execute trades, and provide real-time monitoring and control. Let's now highlight a success story or case study where AI significantly improved intraday trading results. One successful case study is that of a hedge fund that used AI-powered machine learning models to predict stock prices. The fund was able to achieve returns of over 20% per annum, outperforming the market by over 10%. Another successful case study is that of a trading firm that used AI-powered algorithmic trading to generate profits. The firm was able to achieve returns of over 50% per annum, with a win rate of over 70%. In another case study, a group of traders used AI-powered sentiment analysis tools to identify trends and make trading decisions. The traders were able to achieve returns of over 30% per annum, with a win rate of over 60%. These case studies demonstrate the power of AI in intraday trading, enabling traders to achieve exceptional returns and outperform the market. Let's summarize the key takeaways on how AI can assist traders in making informed decisions and enhancing their trading performance. AI can help traders to make more informed decisions by providing objective analysis and predictions. AI-powered tools can also help traders to automate routine tasks, manage risk, and identify trading opportunities. AI can also help traders to stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. By providing transparency and explainability, AI-powered systems can help traders to understand the reasoning behind trade recommendations. Finally, AI can help traders to adapt to changing market conditions and respond to unexpected events. By providing real-time monitoring and control, AI-powered systems can help traders to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on opportunities. Thanks for watching, and would love to hear your thoughts on AI and trading in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos on trading strategies and AI and finance.